Hello students, welcome to PraescioEdu YouTube channel. Scholarship exam standard 5th online class, subject mathematics, and the topic is operation on numbers. The subtopic is division. And in this video we are going to cover the lecture with examples, and through the examples we are going to clear our concepts and the fundamentals for exactly the division. Okay, so what exactly the division? So division is a opposite of the multiplication, okay, or we can say it's also opposite of the additions. Means how that with the opposite of the addition, we are subtracting the same number repeatedly from any number, okay. That is called the divisions, okay, or we can say that in another word that we are making the equal parts of any numbers or anything, okay, that divides something in equal parts, okay, that is called the division, okay. And multiplications oppositions means multiplication is the additions of the same repeatedly numbers, okay. If 5 we are multiplying with that one, okay, so in a division that is opposite means 5 is divided equal parts in the same way, okay. That is called the divisions, okay. Now division means here I already explained. Now in a division algorithm, if any three terms out of the four terms, this is very important, okay students. So there are the total four terms: dividend, okay, divisor, quotient, and remainder, okay. Now in these four terms, any one term is unknown. I'm again repeating, in these four terms any one term is unknown and other three terms are known, then we can find out the fourth term, okay, or we can say the unknown terms, okay. It's like very simple. If suppose there is a divisor is unknown, so how can dividend we know, quotient we know, and the remainder we know, so we can find out the divisor. So now here the remainder is in addition, so that will move to the equals that side, means in a left side, and that will be the subtractor because here the additions, okay. Then quotient is here in multiplication, so that will shift to the other side of the equal sign, and that will in a addition division, okay, because here the multiplication like this one. So here divisor is dividend minus remainder divided by quotient, like this one. This we can make the formula for divisor. Another way, quotient, for the quotient also we can find out this formula by this remainder subtracted from the dividend divided by the this divisor, okay. So here quotient is unknown, we can find out from this formula. Here divisor is unknown, we can find out divisor from this formula. But the main formula is this one, okay. This is very important, so student please remember this formula, okay. If we divide any number by 1, then the answer is the same, of course. Any number we are now is suppose the 5 means what, 5 upon 1 means 5 divided by 1, but we are never written like this one, okay. Whenever we are required this type of the format in a fractions mode or with the addition, then only we can, generally we are only writing the 5, okay. So any number have division, or we can say the denominator 1 by default, okay, but we are never writing that one, okay. So in the same way, if any number divided by 1, the answer should be that number itself, not only the 500,000, any number divided by 1 means answer should be that number itself. Now in any fraction, the number at numerator is divided by the number at denominator is divisor. तो यहाँ पे जो भी divisor है, okay, the divisor, that number is there. Now here the 1, okay, here showing the 6, so that divisor is the denominator, we can say. Now here also I already said that this is a denominator, okay, means the denominator is dividing that numerator in this way, okay. So in this one the number, okay, so number at the numerator is, we can say, the dividend, okay, and the number at the denominator is, we can say, the divisor, okay. This is dividing this one, okay, so that's why this is called the divisor, okay. And this number is gated the division, or we can say get the divided, so that's why this number is, we can say, dividend, okay. So this is the numerator also, or we can say the denominator also in this one, okay. So this is very important. Now to find the cost of one from the cost of many, we carry out the divisions, okay. Means suppose there are the total cost known, okay, and we can say there are the, suppose the for the 10 number something cost is there, how we can find out the cost for the one? So we can simply total divided by the number of total items, means tens is there, okay. So like this one. So this will, we will clarify through the examples, okay. But now Just read this one, this is very important. To find the cost of one from the cost of many. Okay, for the cost of many means the total cost. Okay, we carry out the divisions. Okay, now the number which we divide is dividend. The number by which we divide is called divisor. Already I explained the same way. Okay, and the number which is answer called quotient. Okay, after the division, the number, now here 30 divided by 7. Now this 7 is the divisor because this is a dividing this number, and this number getted the divide, so that's why this is a dividend. And after this division, the here after that get the division, so this number comes, or we can say the divisions, that is called the quotient. And after the at the bottom, number which is balance. Okay, or we can say the remain, which called the remainder. Okay, we can say the baki. Okay, like this one. So 1 2 3 and 4, these are the four terms. Out of these four terms means 1 2 3 and 4, out of this four term, any three terms we know, then we can find out the other way. Okay, so dividend is equals to divisor multiplied by this quotient plus addition. So this is a very important formula. Okay, so always be remember, this is same we all already seen in this slide. Okay, so always be remember this formula. Okay, so on this basis we will solve the some examples. Now let us see some example to understand exactly the concepts of the division. Now question number 1, which are quotient and remainder respectively. So 459 divided by 9. So in a horizontal way, directly we will make the divisions. Always be division is starting from the left side, we know. Okay, so single division or single number we will not take it, or we can say the single digits we should not be take. Okay, and this 45 first we will take. So this 45, 4 and 45 means 5 45. So 45 divided by 9, so 9 5s are 45, so here 5. And after this one, the one digit we will carry out, so it can be divisible by 9, so 9 ones are 9, so 51. Okay, and the remainder is 0 because complete division is there. Okay, so quotient is 51 and the remainder is the 0, and we have to make it the answer our respectively, means in a same sequence, means quotient and remainder. So now 51 and 0, where is the 51 and 0? Option number 3. Okay, like this one also you can find out, or you can find out our way, means like this one, 459 divided by 9, so 9 9 5s are 45. Okay, like this one, so 0, this we will take carry out this digit, so 9 here, and it can be divisible by this one, so 9 ones are 9, so 9 here and minus, so 0. Okay, if this should not be get the divisible by this one or smaller than this one, then if there is another number we will carry out this one. Okay, so that time we will take the 0 here. Okay, so that is very important, many students are making the mistake in that one, so that example also we will see later. Okay, so now 51 and the 0 is the correct option. Now question number 2, 328 divided by 8. Now in the same horizontal positions or say horizontal manner we will take the division. So 8 4s are 32. Okay, then 8 is there, so 8 ones are 8, so 41 answer is there, and the option number 3 is maintaining the 41, so option number 3 is the correct. Now question number 3, madam distributes 128 chocolates in students. If each students got 4 chocolates, then how many students got chocolates? So total chocolates how many are there? So there are the 128 chocolates, and how many students are there? So we don't know the students there, so how many students that we have to calculate, but each students get the 4 chocolates. Okay, here I'm not mentioning the equal, but here each student got the 4 chocolates, so this divided by this one, so we will get the number of students. So directly we will take the division, so 4 3s are 12. Okay, and 4 2s are 8, so 32, so option number 2 is there, or in this manner also we can find out our answer. Okay, now question number 4, 4848 divided by 8. Now these are the four digit numbers, so that's why I am writing here 4848 divided by 8. In horizontal manner also we can take it this one, but for your understanding purpose I am writing in this way. Okay, a regular basis. Now 8 6 are 48. Okay, so minus 48, so 0 here. Now we will take it the next digit, so 4 here. But 4 can be divisible by 8? No. So we will carry next division. To carry this, we have to take the 0 here, okay? Then only this number will be carried, and then this forms a 48. Now 48 can be divisible by 8, so 8 6 are 48, okay? So now remainder is the 0. Now the quotient is 606. So option number 4 is the correct answer. Now in these two, what is the main difference? Now here, when we carry this 9 here, okay, the 9 can be divisible by this 9, okay, but once we have take out this 4, this single digit cannot be divisible by 8. So that's why we have to carry in the same step, we have to carry the next digit. So the we have to take the 0 here, okay. So this is very important. So many students are making the mistakes while when we have to take the 0 or when we should not be take the 0. That is very important, okay. So some books I have given after this 4 steps, again they are making the 0 and minus 0, and then again the 4 is here, okay, like this one, and then the 8 will be carry, means step by step. Okay, that will also the same way. To understand you the main difference, I have taken these two examples, okay. I hope you understand this one. So make the comparison in between these two. You will find out the main difference of this single digit take out, okay, here and here, okay. If this is not a divisible by the divisor, then only we are to bring the next digit, okay. Then only to make the or to bring the next digit, we have to take the 0, okay. So question number 5, 918 divided by, here the box is given, means unknown, where to find out this one, is equals to 102. Now in a division, now instead of this unknown number, we will directly divide with this answer, okay. The answer is 102. So 918 divided by 102, if we carry out this division, you will get the answer which is maintaining in a box, okay. So 100 nines are 900 and 2 nines are 18, means of course 102 nines are 918, okay. So the answer is 9. Now question number 6, 4500 books are in a school library. Out of that, 50 books are given to each student. 50 books to each student. Then how many students are there in schools? So it's the same like our chocolate example previously, okay. So we have to carry out the division, means 4500 divided by this 50, okay. So 4500 by this 50, okay. So 0 gone, 0 gone, so 5 ones are 5, 9s are 45, and then this 0 as it is. So there is the answer 90, means 90 students are there. Option number 2. Now question number 7, if 318 divided by 6 is equals to 53, then 530 multiplied by 6 is equals to how much? So that answer we have to find out. But for the understanding or to save our time, already some clues are given, okay. So 318 divided by 6 is equals to 53. So if you multiply this answer with this divisor 6, then we will get this dividend, okay, of course. So 6 multiplied by 553, then we get the 318, okay. But in the same manner, 53 multiplied by 6 is equals to 318. But here asking 530, means 10 times of 53. So we will multiply by 10 here and same here also, both the side, okay. So after this 10 multiply, means at the unit place 0 will be added, means like this one, and the 8 and other number will be shifted to the higher respective units, okay. So 3180. So this is given in option number 4, okay. Now question number 8, 7035 divided by 7 is equals to 1005. If divisor is taken 5, then the quotient is lesser or more by how much? Now 7035 divided by 7 got the 1005. Instead of this 7, if we carry out the division by 5, so what is the answer? So we will make the division of this number with the 5. So 5 ones are 2 balance, then 20, 5 fours are, after this one the 35, means 0 we have to take out because the single digit is there, and this 2 digit we have to consider. So 5 sevens are 35, okay. So 1407, or we can say 1407. So this division of, if we are taking the division by the 7 and this quotient, okay, and this quotient, the difference is there, we have to find out. So 1407 minus 1005. So if you carry out this subtraction to find out the difference, so here the 2 0 4 and this 0 means after this 5 after the division by the 5, or we can say the after 5 divisor, the quotient is comes 1407, which is a more by 402 than this quotient, okay, means more by 402, means option number 2 is the correct one. Now, question number 9, which of the following statement is wrong? Wrong statement we have to find out. So, we have to check for all, means option number 1 to 4. So, for first we will check the option number 1. 3002 divided by 3 is equals to 1000 and remainder is the 2. Yes, this is correct because 3000 divided by 3 means 1000 and this 2 will be the at the remainder, because this should not be, 2 is not divisible by the 3. Okay, so this is the correct one, but we have to find out the wrong one. Now, next 1001, okay, divided by 11 is 99 and remainder is the 0. Let's check. So 11, this 3 digit we will consider first. So 100 divided by 11 means 9, means 99, and then 1 balance, so 91 comes, okay. So 1 balance, so this after this 1 consideration, it should be the 1 11. So 11 by 11 means 1, so answer should be 91, but here the 99 given means this is a wrong terms, okay. Let's check for the others. So 555 divided by 5 is equals to 111. Yes, this is the correct one, remainder is the 0, this is correct. Now 7008 divided by 7 is equals to 1001, remainder is the 1. This is also correct because this here 7, here 7, okay, and 8 divided by 7 means 7, 1 should be there and the remainder will be the 1, okay. So this is also the correct way, means option number 2 is a wrong term, which is our correct answer for question number 9. Now question number 10, if the number is divided by 10, the quotient is 35 and the remainder is 7, then find the number. So for this, to carry out this one, divided is by 10, the number means what we have to find out the dividend, okay. So this formula dividend we have to find out, so we know the divisor, we know the quotient, and we know the remainder, okay. So 10 is the divisor, okay, so this divisor multiply by this quotient is 35, okay, and then we have to add the this 7, okay. By the board mass rule, we have to find out, we have to carry out first multiplication. So 10 multiplied by this 35, it should be the 350 plus 7. So after this additions, it will be the 357, okay. 357 is given in option number 3.